Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the pie chart in Google Sheets. So before you have to add the data and go to insert, select chart. So here's the option right here, and you can select chart type and select pie. So you can select the data range. Alright, add another and select the cells range and just put the um, data label. Okay, and select the value of the people according to your data. And here we go. You can see this is the level and this is the value. Alright, that's how you can add the pie chart and Google Sheets. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.